If you've been seeing ads for Harper Lane popping up everywhere lately, you're not alone. They market themselves as this charming, long established family boutique celebrating a massive 50th anniversary sale. Sounds promising, right? Well, let's take a closer look. Harper Lane claims to have been around for half a century, yet their website domain was registered in February 2025. That's a pretty big gap between the story they tell and the digital footprint they actually have. For any brand that's supposedly decades old, you'd expect some kind of history: old reviews, previous websites, social media presence, something. But there's nothing. Now, their products are presented as handmade, luxury, boutique style items. But when you dig deeper, many of the same items can be found on wholesale marketplaces like Shine2 or Alibaba, often at a fraction of the price. This strongly suggests they're using a dropshipping model, buying low-cost mass-produced items and reselling them at high markups while branding them as exclusive, artisanal pieces. And when you try to verify who's actually behind the business, there's barely any contact information, no phone number, no physical store address, and the only way to reach them is through a single email and a basic contact form. They claim to be based in the Netherlands, but nothing really backs that up. Customer reports don't make things look any better. People mention receiving poor quality items, wrong sizes, or in many cases, nothing at all. And if you try to return something, you may be stuck with expensive return shipping fees to China, something they don't make clear up front. Refunds also seem to be incredibly difficult to get. So, is Harper Lane legit or a scam? At the very least, the red flags are hard to ignore. Their story doesn't match their online footprint, their products don't match their branding, and their customer service doesn't match what you'd expect from a trustworthy shop. If you're considering buying from them, take a moment to rethink. There are plenty of reliable online stores out there. Just make sure you're choosing the ones that are transparent and established. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with any stores you want me to investigate next. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.